Look no further than the 2022 Audi Q8. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a superbly crafted Q8 that offers stunning luxury, exhilarating performance, cutting-edge safety and infotainment tech, and standard all-wheel drive. Available options like impressive tow package make this premium SUV a truly remarkable blend of refinement and rugged capability. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim. Feel pure satisfaction wash over you when you're at the wheel of this remarkable Q8. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.